Hi Scorpio Collective, it's Beth. I'm checking in on the energies for you today. I hope you're doing wonderful. I'm doing just fine. Got the test sirens going on out there right now. Education, number 35. Taking time to study what you feel the need to know. Coming apart, 46. Maybe you felt a little broken apart lately. You've been looking within. Commitment, 36. There's some kind of commitment on the horizon. Golden Palace, 23. This union that's coming up for you, that I'm seeing here, is going to create just a beautiful environment. Like, you're going to have a bubble around you and your lover. I'll show you. We have this commitment coming in. Hearts. Possibly you're getting married, or just some kind of commitment. So not everyone wants to be married, but yeah, you're going to be living in a bubble of luxury, you and this lover. Coming to life, 29. This is when the real magic begins. This chick is dancing. She's got a glowing magic ball in her hand. This is number 11 too. This is looking like a twin flame reunion or some kind of a mirroring soulmate. Intention, 22. Look what this, when I mentioned mirroring in this card, there's mirroring. This is somebody that you were once united with and you split up. That's an 11 too. 11, 11. You were split up, but then now you're coming back together. And you're living in a bubble of luxury. You're coming to life. And this is due to your intentions. This is something you manifested. Number 22. This is something you hope for. Yeah, this is something you hope for when you were feeling stuck in the mud and surrounded by goblins. Just darkness. Doom and gloom. Maybe this person has been haunting you. Haunting your dreams. Spark. You feel a spark for this person. There's a Cupid in this too. Yeah, this person makes your heart sing. Balancing act. It's been a balancing act. Another 11. 11, 11, 11. It's been a balancing act for the universe to bring this relationship together for you. That's why it's taken so long. There were a lot of moving parts. Let me pull some tarot, Scorpio. The Hermit and the Sun. So you're coming out of hermit status into some kind of a commitment that's going to bring great happiness. There's two people in the Sun card dancing around in joy. And it looks like while you were sitting in hermit status, you defeated this three-headed demon. You defeated it over and over. And the snake, but you hold the secrets right here in your hand. You hold the key to creation. See this? It looks like a sperm and a key, kind of. This is the key to creation. Scales are being balanced. This is something that has been a long time coming. Prince of Wands. Something's coming in quick and passionately. Four of Cups. Luxury. And that's funny. It lands right on top of Golden Palace. So yeah, this Prince of Wands energy is coming into your life and is going to bring luxury. That is so crazy. That's what I was just saying. Your bubble of luxury. Number 13, or no, 14. Art. This is like temperance. This is the alchemy. You guys come together and you create this magic. You guys come to life with this magic. Alchemizing the light and the dark forces. Valor, Nine of Wands. Five of Discs, worry. Yeah, you're coming out of a time where you've had a lot, you've fought a lot of battles. And you've been left out in the cold. Possibly even by this Prince of Wands energy coming in with an offer. Strife, yeah, Five of Wands. You've been through it. Yeah, this person's put you through it. I was just noticing this Prince of Wands card looks like the Chariot card. And it also looks like the Statue of Liberty. It's like this Prince of Wands is charging forward to freedom. This person considers you their freedom. They're getting away from these fives, the worry and the strife. But you both have made it out with valor. The Lovers and change. So there's a change coming to your love life. It could possibly be a biracial union. I keep seeing that too in all the love cards coming up today. But this change is going to bring in balance. Balance between both of your worlds. The yin and the yang. The dark and the light. It's all coming together here. Pleasure. Six of Cups. Yeah, this is somebody from your past. That's kind of what it was looking like before anyway, but this is somebody that you've known either in this life or from a past life, but it's somebody that you have fond memories with. Very pleasurable memories with. They have fond memories of you. Princess of Wands. This is a message coming in. And I kind of see this Prince and Princess of Wands as like a budding, passionate relationship. Couple. A lot of passion between these two people. Let me get some Rider-Waite tarot. Page of Pentacles and Eight of Cups. Somebody wants to bring you in a practical offer, and it's somebody that walked away that's coming back with the Eight of Cups inverted. Somebody that walked away from you is coming back. Somebody that abandoned you. Five of Swords. Caused you a lot of strife. Mental anguish. Six of Pentacles. This person realizes that before it was not an equal give and take between you two. And they want to come back and they want to balance the scales here. They want to make things even. There's another six. There's a lot of balance coming in here. And change. Balance with change. The Lovers is coming out again with the Ace of Pentacles. So you're being offered an opportunity of choosing a lover. Possibly you will have the choice between two lovers. But this is an opportunity gifted to you by the universe. This is a divine opportunity. Eight of Swords. Something that's going to get you out of your head. Strength. Yeah, it's taking you a lot of strength to get here to where you're at now, but you have victory with the Six of Wands. It's taking you strength just to come out of your self-imprisonment. That's 8-8. That's abundance coming. And another 6. Abundance, balance, victory. Okay. Let me pull an animal spirit card. Actually, let me pull a couple fortune cards first, and then I'll get you an animal spirit. Seek wisdom and guidance from elders, the oracle. See all the Egyptian hieroglyphs on there? You might find some wisdom in researching a little bit about ancient Egypt, gods and goddesses. Hindrance. Fate has blocked this path for you. Yeah, this path, this love relationship coming in has been blocked by people, places, or things. Dark forces. But you're getting victory over that. The forces of nature favor you, the Green Man. excuse me. Yeah, the green man, the forces of nature are with you. This is the universe. This is God. This is God stepping in. The hand of fate is stepping in here on this love relationship. Basically because you set your intentions out for such a thing in the first place. Alright, let me pull an animal card for you. Animal spirit. This is looking good, Scorpios. You've got good things coming in. Spider, protection, aid, wisdom. Spiders are found throughout the world and appear in the legends of nearly all peoples. They are frequently depicted as helpers, protectors, and creators. The Ojibwa people hang hoops of spider webs over their infants to protect them from harmful influences. Other Native American peoples, particularly those of the Southwest, associate the spider with a grandmother spirit who lives underground. The spider grandmother is a source of wisdom and a link to the underworld. She rises from her realm to offer advice, particularly before a dangerous or large undertaking. But this reminds me of this intention card that came up. You're creating your world right now. You are weaving your not only your web, but a web for the a path for people to take into the new world. All right, Scorpios, good job. I love you guys. I will check in with y'all later. I hope you have a wonderful day.